Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp AI assistant for educational institutions. So I run educational institution and want to create an AI assistant which can respond to my student queries, providing them information about the course and the enrollment details. And I'm going to create this AI assistant by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, and my AI assistant will respond on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. So firstly, in this video we are going to create an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to create this AI assistant, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create an AI assistant for educational institutes. So right before you on my screen you can see this is my AI assistant, and I have created this AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. And now I am going to show you how you can create this AI assistant which is going to respond to your student queries 24/7 while you are busy or unavailable. And this is going to reduce your manual workload. So now I am going to show you how you can create this amazing AI assistant for your own educational institute. But before that I am going to show you the real working of this AI assistant so that you can understand it. So for testing this AI assistant, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I am going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help, and this message is going to trigger my AI assistant, and within seconds my AI assistant will respond to me on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. Now you might be thinking, what is this knowledge base? So knowledge base is the document which contains details of my business, and my assistant is going to fetch the data from this knowledge base and provide details to my users. So now let's move on to my WhatsApp again, and here you can see I am successfully receiving the response from my AI assistant which says, I am here to help, what do you need assistance with? Now I am going to enter another question for my AI assistant, that is, what courses do you provide? And as I have entered this message, my AI assistant will fetch the data from the knowledge base and respond to me. So here you can see that my AI assistant is responding to me with the courses provided by this educational institute named as Bright Path Academy. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant, that is, what are the eligibility criteria for enrolling in undergraduate course? And here my AI assistant is responding to me with the answer of my question. Now let's enter one more question for our AI assistant for testing it. So here I am going to enter this message, that is, what are the documents required for enrollment? So here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me with documents required for enrollment. And now let's move on to my knowledge base to check whether is this the data I have provided over there or not. So here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created. So now you can see that my AI assistant is accurately providing the same data which I have entered in my knowledge base. So now you can also create an AI assistant like this for your own business. So for that you just have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account. And once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app by clicking on this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this manual token connect. And if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number, you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar, and once you will click over the AI assistant, you will be landed to this AI assistant page where you can see these are the AI assistant I have created. And if you want to create your own AI assistant, you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and here you have to provide the assistant name. So here I'm going to provide my assistant name as my educational institute name, that is Bright Path. So here I have entered this name. Now we simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and we will be landed to the AI assistant page, which can be seen here. And on this page you can see we are landed to this AI instruction tab where we are getting the option for selecting the instruction type. So from here you can select instruction type, and here I'm going to select this instruction type, that is AI agent, but you can even select custom prompt and you will be getting this prompt instruction. And here you can also select another options, that is customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach and futuristic fashion advisor. But here I am going to select this AI agent as I am going to create an AI assistant, and here you will be getting these instructions and you can modify these instructions according to you. And afterwards we are getting this AI configuration section where we are getting this option for temperature. So now you might be wondering, what is this temperature doing over here? So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5, which is a friendly temperature. And afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the AI to use. So here I am going to select Open AI, and afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the model. So here I am going to select this model, that is GPT-4o mini, and here we are landed to this API key section where it is asking me to enter the API key. So for getting the API key, you just have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So now let's select it, and we will be landed to the OpenAI API's key page from where we can get our API key. So for that you simply have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and project name, and afterwards you simply have to click over this create secret key button and your API key will be created. And as I have already have my API key, I will be pasting it over here, and as I have pasted it, now we simply have to click over this connect button, and here you can see as I have clicked over here, I am getting this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully. And afterwards we are getting this AI assistant settings section, and here we are getting some of the settings. So now if you want to provide header message, you can just enable it, and here you can enter the header message, and same for the footer message also, you just have to enable it and enter your footer message. And afterwards we are getting this option for entering the stop keyword and retry attempt. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone will enter a message consisting of this word stop. So for that you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one stop keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will enter this word, that is stop, in WhatsApp our AI assistant will be stopped. But here I am going to just keep it as disable, and afterwards we are getting this option for entering the retry attempt. So retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. So here you can enter the number from 1 to 10 such as 3, 4, etc. But here I am going to keep it as disable, and afterwards we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can provide fallback message according to you. So with this we are done with our AI instruction tab. Now let's manage our knowledge source. So let's select this tab, and here we have to upload the knowledge base which contains the details of our business. And you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted in .txt or .pdf, and in .pdf if you have any images then there is limitation of only 10 pages, but if you don't have any image then no worries, we don't have any limitation for that. And for downloading your knowledge base in either of the format, you just have to go to the knowledge base, and here on the file section you will be getting this option for downloads, and on this download section you will be getting the option for downloading the file in either of the formats. So from here you can download your file in .pdf or .txt, and as I have already downloaded my file, I will be uploading it over here by selecting this button button. And here we are landed to my download section, where you can see this is the knowledge base I am going to upload. That is knowledge base for educational institution. Now we simply have to upload it, and as I have uploaded my file, I am getting this pop-up which says file uploaded and processed successfully, and we have got this name and the vector ID. So with this we are done with our knowledge source also. Now let's configure assistant interface, and here we are landed to this tab where we are getting the option for entering the header display heading name. So on this header display heading name, I am going to enter my brand name, that is Bright Path. So here you can see this subheading name is appearing over the preview of your chatbot on your right side as a heading name, and afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, which we are already getting as we are online and happy to assist you, and this is also appearing as the subheading name in the header section of the preview of your chatbot. And afterwards we are getting this option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today, and this initial message can be seen in the preview of your chatbot. And if you want to add your own initial message, you just have to type it. Now let's have on to add this initial message, that is hello. So for that you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here are another initial message can be seen, but here I am going to keep only one initial message, so I will be removing this from here. And the next we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled, but here I am going to disable it and see the changes in the preview of the chatbot. And as I have disabled it, you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared from the preview, but here I am going to keep it as enable. And afterwards we are getting this option for footer text. So here we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which is appearing over the preview of your chatbot. So here you can provide your own footer text, and afterwards we are getting this option for entering the footer link, so you can provide the footer link as well. And at last we are getting this option for entering the user's first message, which we are already getting is I need help, but here I am going to convert it as hey I need help, and this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. And now with this we are done with our assistant interface tab also. Now let's provide the styling to our AI assistant and customize its visual appearance. And on the styling tab you can see we are getting this first option for selecting the theme mode, which is already selected as light. Now let's change it to dark and see the changes, and here you can see as I have selected the dark, the preview of the chatbot has been changed to dark theme mode, but here I am going to keep it as light. You can select it according to you. And afterwards we are getting this option for assistant shape. So from here you can select your assistant shape, which is already selected as circle, and afterwards we are getting some of the properties of the preview of the chatbot for which we can change the coloring. Now let's say I'm going to change this assistant background color, so for that I'm going to select another color, and here you can see the changes in the preview of your chatbot, that the assistant background color has been changed to the color which I have recently selected. So from here you can change the coloring of the properties, and afterwards we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can add it over here. So with this we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now we just have to enable it by activating this toggle, and you have to remember that this toggle should be enabled. And afterwards we just have to click over the save AI assistant for saving it, and here you can see our AI assistant has been saved successfully. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over this embed button, and you will be getting the script code. So you just have to paste the script code to your business, and AI assistant will be embedded to your business. And now as we have created our AI assistant, I'm going to show you how you can enable AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular chat. So for enabling AI assistant for your all contacts, you just have to go to settings and select inbox settings over here, and you will be landed to the inbox settings page, where you just have to scroll down, and you will be getting this option for AI auto reply settings, where you have to enable this AI auto replies. And from here you can select the contact list or your all contacts for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and from here you have to select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So now you can see that how easy it is to enable AI assistant for your all contacts. Now if you want to enable AI assistant for a particular chat, you just have to go to inbox, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I'm getting this option for choose AI assistant on the right side. So you just have to enable it, and from here you have to select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I'm going to enable this AI assistant which I have recently created, that is Bright Path AI. Now we simply have to click over the save button, and our AI assistant will be enabled successfully. So this is the way you can create an AI assistant for your business, which is going to respond to all queries of your customers or the students. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations and AI assistant like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt you can mention it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.